Thank you for taking the time to visit this page. Now, you might be a Blocks 2.0 customer and you might not. If you are a Blocks 2 customer, then I want to show you this because this software will enable you to create blocks magnets. So your own blocks magnets, you can create them in literally minutes with this software. Now, if you're not a Blocks 2 user, this is still something that will enable you to make money online. Now, you can create products, lead generation documents, PDFs, courses, pretty much anything, and you can do it in literally minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside and I'm going to create a document, and then I'm going to put it on this page so you can see the quality of it. So we log in, we click new ebook, name, so TikTok marketing. I've run through this before, so what you'll need to do is just put the project name in there, type it in, affiliate marketing, and so we'll call it, let's say 6 chapters. So 6 chapters, 990 words per chapter. Target audience, affiliate marketers. We'll leave that as informative, but you can see you can change it all here. Keep it as English. Click next. What the software will do now is it will show me a number of titles I can choose from. Let's choose this one here. So TikTok selling strategies, amplifying your affiliate success. So we click next. So all of this is done by AI. We don't have to do anything really. Now it gives me the section chapters. So you can see here I can make any changes here if I want to. But just to keep things very, very quick, I'm just going to leave them as they are, and then we click next. And then the software is going to generate the whole document for me. Now I can save the document as a PDF, or I can download it as a document, a text file, etc. I can edit the document inside of the software, and the whole thing literally takes minutes. Now, 6 chapters, 999 words. It's going to take a few minutes to generate. Okay, so in total that took a little over 2 minutes to generate. So we can see here that we have a 6,543 word document. So you can see all of the chapters, everything is created for us. Now what we can do is we can export this, we can edit this here. So if we want to add in images, we can do all that here. If we're not happy with it, we can regenerate the whole thing. But that's how quickly you can create basically a product. So for example, if you are using blocks, you can see how quickly you can create a blocks magnet. You can create a blocks magnet in absolutely any niche, any topic. You don't need to know anything about it. You don't even have to understand prompts. Obviously this is AI. You've seen all those prompts, prompt generation tools, etc., all using ChatGPT. We don't need to mess about with any of that because it's all built in here. So like I've shown you, you just put in the topic, the subject that you want to create a document on, decide which niche that's in. I mean, I chose affiliate marketing, I chose TikTok marketing, and the software does everything else for us. And it's done the whole thing in less than 3 minutes. So this is like having a complete blocks magnet in any niche you like, created in under 3 minutes. Obviously you need to do a little bit of formatting, but the raw document is less than 3 minutes away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to format this document, turn it into a PDF, and then put the link on the page below. Okay, so the document is complete. If I'm honest, it took me an additional 15 minutes. So we're talking about 17 minutes, less than 20 minutes for the software to create the document and for me to edit it. Now I have, let's see how many pages we have here. I think it's around about 30, yeah, there we go. Actually 31 pages, so a 31-page document on TikTok marketing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this underneath this video or somewhere on this page so you can just you can download it and take a look through yourself. Now I'm not going to tell you that it'll be perfect. I could have spent another 20 minutes, I guess, adding in images, that kind of thing, and obviously links. but you can see the general gist of things and the kind of quality that you can generate with eScribe. Again, it's using AI, but it takes away all of the work. So if you're looking to create blocks magnets, that's how quickly you can do it. 10, 15, 20 minutes. You can create a blocks magnet. If you don't have blocks, well, think of PLR. You could sell PLR. You could create lead generation documents, to build your list. You can create courses, products to sell. You can create PDFs or ebooks for other people. Let me show you that now. I took a look at this over on Fiverr. Obviously, these are quite exceptional, but from $20 to hundreds of dollars, as you can see here, selling or creating ebooks on any subject really for other people. And there's a lot of people out there that don't understand AI. They don't know that there are tools out there that do this kind of thing. So even if you were just charging, say, $20 to create an ebook for somebody, that could work out at, $20 for, say, 10, 15 minutes work. It's a nice little side hustle, but that's just one option. Like I say, you can do it for yourself. You can create blocks magnets with this incredibly quickly, and lead generation magnets. Or you can just pull out the content and sell articles for people, content for blogs and that sort of thing. Really, really easy to do. I bet if I go over to Fiverr now, there's a ton of gigs over there, just content creation. Anyway, that's how quickly it works. I'm sure you've got a ton of ideas on how you can actually use eScribe yourself and the content that it generates. But take a look through this page. Now what I want to do is I want to take you through the bonuses for eScribe. Now there's two versions of eScribe. No, that's probably the wrong phrase actually. So what you've got here is you've got a bundle option. So normally you go to a front end and then you choose a number of upsells, and you might buy upsell 1 or upsell 2 or upsell 3 and so on. Well, instead of that, you can buy the bundle, which includes everything. So no funnel, you pay a one-off fee. You get a discount on the funnel prices, but you get everything. So everything included. Now what we've done is we've put together two bonus packages. So one for the bundle offer, which as I've just mentioned is for everything, and one if you just want to buy the front end. So let me quickly take you through them. So the first bonus we have is, and it's a ready-made system. So if you're a blocks user, many of you will be, and you don't have the ready-made system upgrade, then we're going to give you our brand new ready-made system. Now this is about to be added into the block system, but it hasn't been added yet. This is brand new. It's taken us a long time to put together. Each one of these systems takes us a long time to put together, and it's cost us roughly $1,000. You get the raw files. So obviously it's not inside the blocks because you probably don't have the blocks ready-made system, but you get the raw files so you can edit it and you can use it yourself. So this saves a great deal of work. So it's like it is having your own ready-made system. Obviously you're going to need to turn the document into a PDF, that kind of thing, but everything is done for you. All the raw files are there. Everything that we build into Blocks RMS is here. Okay, images, pitch systems, documents, logos, everything is included. So that's number one. Number two is our Black Ops video training. Number three, PLR rights to this AI bundle. Again, you can use these, you can resell them, you use them as magnets, blocks magnets, lead generation magnets. You get all the raw files, as you can see, unformatted document, lead page, PSDs, graphics, marketing packs, swipes, tweets. Everything that you would expect with a PLR package is included here. You get the escape plan. Take a moment to go through the page. I'm just going through it really quickly. You get launch grab, ClickBank income hack, another PLR pack. This time these are videos. Again, you get all of the PLR details that you would expect with a PLR pack. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different video courses there. You get Repi, Pimper, you get IML Academy. Take a moment to look at this. This is training taken from my personal coaching, which students paid $5,000 for. So take a look at that. Again, all of this is included with the bundle offer for eScribe. So if you buy the bundle, you get all of this. You get Hookem, you get the niche marketing pack. I've only mentioned 2 here, but there's actually 3. So take a look at that. Again, it's all included. You get Spike. And all of that is included if you decide to purchase the E-Scribe bundle. Okay, so all you need to do is click any of these buttons. So where it says E-Scribe bundle offer, if you click one of those buttons, if you purchase the bundle offer, then you'll get access to everything that I've just shown you. Now, for those of you that are not interested in the bundle, so perhaps you only want to get access to the basic E-Scribe and just use it for yourself for creating documents, magnets, that kind of thing, then you can do that. And we also have bonuses for you as well. So the Talkify RMS package, this is kind of for blocks users, but it's useful for anybody that's interested in TikTok, for example. So you get that, you get the escape plan, you get Repi, and you get the 2 PLR packs. So both of the PLR packs. So everything mentioned above that relates to these bonuses is the same. So for example, you still get all of the PLR details, all of the raw files, that kind of thing. And this is all included just with the front end. So just the main product, E-Scribe. So essentially, if you're interested in E-Scribe and you are considering buying a couple of upgrades, for example, then it's probably going to make more sense and be more cost effective to buy the bundle. So you get everything and you don't have to worry about purchasing other stuff or upgrading a later date. And of course, you get all of the bonuses I've just shown you. So let's just scroll up here quickly. So you can see all of these bonuses, they're all yours. Everything on the page is yours instantly if you buy the bundle. If you just want the front end, then scroll to the bottom of the page. From this point onwards, here we go. So from this point onwards, everything below there is included with simply the front end. Okay, so your choice, you know what the best option is for you. But please take a moment to look at this page. I don't think you'll find another bonus package or bonus packages that contain as much value as you'll find on this page. Nearly everything that I've shown you here is exclusive to us, so you won't be able to get them from anybody else. You get them instantly. So depending on which package, so if you buy the bundle offer, if you go to your bundle access in JVZoo, then you'll find access to our bonus package. Same as if you buy the basic E-Scribe, you'll find access to all of the bonuses there. This will be inside of JVZoo. Okay, so we don't normally promote products on JVZoo, but because we know the vendors of this, we know how high quality it is and how well it's been developed, we're doing this as a one-off. So you'll need to make sure that when you do purchase, you're purchasing through Mark Bishop, and my affiliate ID of JVZoo is 4519. So please make sure you buy through this affiliate ID, through me. If you've clicked any buttons for E-Scribe before, make doubly sure that you are actually purchasing through me, because the bonuses are delivered automatically. So if you click it to somebody else, for example, you might actually be purchasing through them. So double check, make sure you're purchasing through me, and then you'll get instant access to all of the bonuses that I've shown you on this page. And while I remember, don't forget to check out the output, the PDF I made with E-Scribe, so you can see the quality of the software. Now I'm adding this part of the review to the end of the video because this isn't a permanent thing. So during launch week, so the initial launch of E-Scribe Ai, you actually get white label rights to the product. And what that means is you can upload the code, so the software code, to your host, you can rebrand it, and you can sell it as your own, essentially enabling you to become a software vendor straight away. Now this is huge. Normally you would pay hundreds, if not thousands, for white label to a software product, because having your own software product means you can make an incredible amount of money. Now obviously I've put 1 million a year selling software. That's roughly how much we make, or I make, each year selling software products online. Now if you're just starting out, you're not going to make anything near that, but the point is, this is your own software product. It's not going to cost you any more. If you buy the E-Scribe bundle, you're going to get the white label rights to this product. You get full instructions on how to upload it, how to rebrand it, you get a marketing pack as well. So you get everything you need to start selling this product as your own, with your own branding. Essentially, it's your own software. Now, I said with the bundle offer, I'm pretty sure that this is available with the basic offer as well, but only during launch week. So if you're watching this video and the launch is over, chances are that the white label rights won't still be attached to your purchase. So it's important to buy this as soon as possible if you're interested in the product, in the bonuses, and in being able to sell this as your own. So being able to sell eScribe as your own software. You can rebrand it, you make it look different, and you can sell it as your own, and you can keep selling it over and over again. That's the beauty of having a digital product, especially a software product. And we all know that AI products are remarkably popular right now. Okay, so regardless of which option you purchase today, if you're watching this video during launch week, you'll get white label rights to eScribe. So decide which option you want, click one of the buttons, you'll get the bonus package that I've mentioned, which is detailed on this page. And if you're buying within the first week of launch, possibly a little bit after, I'm not completely sure on that, but if you're purchasing within launch week, you're going to get white label rights. So you get the source code that you can upload, you can follow the instructions, upload it to your server, rebrand it, and start selling it.